guys, I have the Glossybox for the month of February for you guys. I have never tried this box. They sent me this for review purpose to unbox for you guys. I don't have any lip product on because I kind of did a little sneaky peek and I did see there is a lip product in there. So this box is $21 a month. This is what the outer box looks like. It just says Glossybox, just a black box. And it does come with usually like 5 products more or less. I'll try to put what the website says around here. So it is $21 a month. It is a subscription service. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in. When I first opened the box, there's these little vouchers in there for HelloFresh and like a wine voucher. So, you know, for like those meal kits or whatever. And then the box itself I thought was super cute. So this is what it looks like. It says like love, amor, amore. So it says love basically in different languages. So I thought that that was super cute, and it's just a pink box. And I feel like you could actually like reuse this for something. Maybe it's just me being 37-year-old. There's like a meme that says when you get to, you know, you're old when you get to an age when you're like, I should find a good use for this box. So I think that this is super cute. Like you would keep little knickknacks in it or something. It's super adorable. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in. And I did see through the paper, but I haven't touched it. So this is what it looks like. It has tissue paper and then it has this cute little ribbon on the top. I feel like their presentation is super adorable, and maybe that has to do with like the price point as well. But I'm gonna take off the ribbon, and the ribbon actually says love crosses borders. Is that not so cute? So this is actually something like you could, you know, tie around something, reuse, and then I'm just going to dive in here. So first thing in here is the Saint. Let me see if they have like price points. Okay, they don't have price points. I thought maybe they would have a card. Okay, no card. So I don't know price points. I'll try to look them up before I upload. So this is the Saint Luxe Lip Liner Duo. I don't think I've heard of this brand before. I wanna say, correct me if I'm wrong. So these are 2 lip liners. Huh, I don't know why this kind of looks familiar to me. I don't think I have anything in my collection that looks like this, but I feel like I've gotten this before. And why do I want to say that I wasn't impressed by this brand? Just kind of like the packaging kind of reminds me of something that I've tried before. I know there was like an eyeliner recently that we were sent, I think in Boxycharm or Ipsy, and I was not impressed with it. It was just a really dry formula and not something that I would gravitate to. So let's see how these work, because if these are dry, then they're just not my cup of tea. Maybe somebody likes that kind of formula, but I like more creamy pigmented formulas. I don't like to be, you know, pulling at my lips. So let's see how this goes. So hopefully you guys will see that. Okay, so not too dry. So this is a red. And this looks like a beautiful coral. So this first shade is Crush, and then this one is Cupid. So Cupid is more of a wearable kind of pinky peach, and then Crush is that bright red. So they are pigmented and they're not too drying where like it'll tug on your lips. And let me see what else is in here. So I want to see, because I did see through the paper that there was a floss lip gloss, and I absolutely adore their other lip gloss, their clear one. So this one is called ATH, which I wonder why they get their name, where they get their names from. But I actually have their clear one, okay, so I actually have their clear one that I've talked a lot about on Instagram, which, by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me. I from time to time do giveaways on there. I post a lot of flat lays, makeup related, makeup of the days on my stories. So this is the one that I have been talking about a crap ton on Instagram, especially when we got this in one of my boxes. This is YUL, and I have no idea where they get these little names from, but I absolutely love this formula. So hopefully this one is a different shade. And okay, so this is ATH. come on. Oh, that is pretty. That's like pretty for every day. That is such a pretty like neutral pink, and I feel like it goes well with my look today. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the lip liner for you guys to kind of give you, yeah, this isn't tugging or anything. It's going on nice and smooth. Not as creamy as some other creamy ones, but not drying. So I would definitely add these to my collection. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the floss. And I think the other one has a little bit of a, yeah, this one has the same kind of smell. It's like a vanilla smell. Oh, that is so comfortable and pretty. Okay, so here is the shade ATH. I have to say this is so beautiful and comfortable, but I wouldn't call it a gloss. It's not like glossy like their other formula. This one is more of a cream kind of formula. So more of like a cream lipstick kind of formula. So very, very beautiful. I do really enjoy it. I don't know if I would call it like a gloss per se, but very beautiful. Okay, so the next product in here is the Gold Edit Hydrating Gold Gel Lip Mask. So I don't know how much this is worth. Hopefully I will have the prices across the screen. This seems like Korean beauty, so it doesn't seem like it would be something really expensive. And it is one of those gel masks that you put around your lips to help in, you know, like help with hydration in your lips and make them fuller. I don't know, these are okay for me. These aren't something that I really gravitate to. I really prefer lip scrubs than this. So yeah, this is just an okay product. Next product in here is the highlighter and eyeshadow by Bellapierre. This looks like a really dark bronze color, so I don't think that I would use this as a highlighter. Definitely could be like a single eyeshadow for me, but I am not going to touch this. I'm going to add this to a giveaway or give it to a friend just because I feel like I'm not going to get the use out of it, and I'd rather someone give it good loving. But it does look like a really pretty color. I have used Bellapierre before and their quality is really, really nice. So this is just a nice single eyeshadow if you're into more of just like a one all over lid, which is actually what I did today. I just put one shade all over my lid and blended it out. So this looks like an everyday good color. Okay, so the last product in here is Figs in Rouge Wonder Love Charm. I've never heard of this brand before. So it says it's a skin perfecting glow elixir. So it's supposed to glow, revitalize, smooth, and hydrate with every drop. So it's a brightening and charming elixir designed to delight and intensify skin's natural glow. It has rose water, rose quartz to help with radiance, hydration, vitamin A, C, E. So it's basically a moisturizer that's supposed to give you a glow to the skin. So I'm just gonna put a few drops here on my hand and see what this baby is about. The bottle is super cute. It's like this beautiful pink, and let's see. Okay, so here it is swatched here on my hand. Hopefully you guys will be able to see that. It gives like a beautiful radiance to the skin. I think that this would look absolutely beautiful underneath foundation. It does, like if I look at it, have like those tiny little silver reflexes. But this kind of product I really enjoy for underneath foundation. I wouldn't exactly apply this by itself because we all know I'm not about that whole sparkly, you know, look in the sun. I rather it be more of a glow than, you know, like actual glitter on my face. So this I think would be definitely nice underneath foundation, just to give like extra radiance to the skin. But it looks really, really beautiful. And it does have kind of like this rose smell to it. So that's really nice as well. Okay, so that is it for the box. On my final thoughts, I have to say I'm not sure if the value is here for the $21. I definitely will try to put the total value around here, how much it all came to total. I know on their website they say that for the $21 you will get $120 value, so hopefully that is true. To me, this is a nice box. I wasn't completely like blown away. I have to say the thing that it impressed me the least was this lip mask. I was like, you know, if you're gonna give a lip mask, I feel like you should give probably like at least 3 or 4, because just one by itself kind of just makes it look cheap. It's kind of like sheet mask too, you know. The other things to me are really, really nice. You know, the single eyeshadow, the lip products, and the face products. So it is a little well-rounded. It has a little bit of everything in here, but I feel like they could up the game a little bit more and maybe have put like a little eyeshadow palette or something like that. So like I said, to me, this is a nice box. I'd love to hear your opinion down below. Are you guys subscribed to Glossybox? Do you like it because it's more simple? It doesn't have as many like fancy brand names and things like that. I'd love to hear your opinion down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button, and you can follow me on my social media down below. As always, at the end of this video, I will have other videos available if you guys want to go watch those. And yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. To me, this is nice. Didn't really like, pa-chow. Anyways, have a great one, and I'll see you in the next one.